Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your bridge activity notes for wormhole transfers, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all your bridge activity notes related to wormhole transfers. Ensure that you have a reliable device for storing backup files. Open your preferred note-taking application or system where the notes are stored. Access the folder or section where your bridge activity notes reside. Select all relevant notes that pertain to the wormhole transfers. If your notes are in a digital format, copy them to your clipboard. If your notes are handwritten, consider taking clear photographs or scanning them for digitization. Create a new document or folder specifically for the backup. Paste the copied notes into the new document. If you are using images of handwritten notes, upload them to the new folder. Organize the notes in a clear and coherent manner for easy reference. Label the backup folder or document clearly to ensure easy identification in the future. Consider using a cloud storage service for additional security. Upload the organized folder or document to your chosen cloud storage. Make sure to confirm that the files have been uploaded successfully. If desired, create a local backup on an external drive or USB. Regularly schedule updates to your backup to include new notes as they are made. Once the backup process is complete, this ensures that no further edits are made after your backup is complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.